guys, you know what? शाहरुख खान की वैनिटी वैन को फाइनली मिल गया है एक रेस्टिंग स्पॉट। बेचारे मिस्टर खान थे काफी परेशान because he didn't have a permanent spot for his vanity van, but not anymore. जानना चाहते हैं कि उनकी वैनिटी वैन अब कहाँ पार्क होती है? Well, for this and many more stories, watch Take 5. Take 1. Shah Rukh Khan is just like us. He too can't find the perfect parking spot. Just that Shah Rukh is looking to park his vanity van and not any four-wheeler. On more than one occasion, Shah Rukh's van has been spotted parked inside Mumbai's Mehboob studio. And this is even when King Khan is not shooting. The van does not have a fixed parking spot and has to be moved from floor to floor. A source told Spot Boy, over the last 6 months, this vehicle has been mostly parked here whenever it's not in use. If Shah Rukh is shooting here, we park it on the floor where he is. Otherwise, it's parked wherever there is space. Shah Rukh has had to find another parking spot after the BMC demolished the illegal ramp built outside his home in Bandra. Take 2. Varun Dhawan might have finally found one of his Jurva 2 heroines, and it's none other than his Dishum co-star Jacqueline Fernandez. We've learned that producer Sajid Nadiadwala has offered her Jurva 2. The offer was made when she was shooting the climax of Dishum recently. A source told us Sajid had come to the set. He met all the actors and for a while sat in a vanity van chit-chatting with Varun and Jacqueline. We overheard Jurva 2 being discussed with them. The discussion seemed intense. Take 3. Salman Khan is known for his large-heartedness and he does most of his charity work through his foundation Being Human. But Salman can't look into all the aspects of it, and so he got his sister Alvira Agnihotri on board to handle the finances. And she's doing a very thorough job of it. But why this decision? Could the reason be faulty transactions that Salman found out about and now only wants someone he trusts to handle the finances? Take 4. Anil Kapoor wants only the best for his kids and buzzes that he's decided that his son Harshvardhan does not need to be in a relationship right now. Harshvardhan was dating Khamoshiyan actress Sapna Pabbi, but the Kapoors thought that the upcoming actors need to focus on their careers and not be distracted by a relationship. Spot Boy has it that Sonam also wants her kid brother to stay away from controversies. So the young lovers have decided to listen to Bado Ki Baat and call their relationship off. Take 5. Veteran actor Dilip Kumar has been discharged from hospital. This afternoon, Dilip Saab left Mumbai's Lilavati hospital with wife Saira Bano by his side. The actor was rushed to the hospital last week following fever and bouts of vomiting. Yesterday, Amir Khan visited Dilip Saab.